Do you think that you are a good person?
Hi guys, welcome to 2Gs
This is Ayushi,
and this is Mansi.
and we are reporting straight from the Spiral.
What are we spiraling about today?
Mansi, I would like to ask you a very important question. Do you think that you are a good person? Because our comments for our uh, film review of Dhurandhar essentially says that we are not.
Actually, they were not questioning us as person. They were questioning us as intellectual beings that we are trying to be. But let's avoid them. Huh. Uh, Coming back to the question, I would like to believe that I'm a good person and I would uh, constantly work towards being a good person rather than being a bad person. I don't know that if I am a bad person. Personally तो मुझे लगता है मैं बहुत ही बुरी इंसान हूँ. बट मुझे दुनिया ने बताया कि मैं अच्छी इंसान हूँ तो I would like to believe the externality of it, whatever that word is.
So essentially, you think you are a bad person, but you work hard to be a good person, and other people say that you are a good person.
मैं तो barely person हूँ but sorry.
But यही आज हमारा टॉपिक है, where we are actually deconstructing what it means to be a good person, because we have been thinking about that a lot.
And I'm not asking Aishi क्योंकि हम वापस से इस पे आने वाले हैं where we will personally ask you. So the topic for today, what are you spiraling about is, are you a good person?
Hmm. In fact, we both thought a lot, and we realized that we first have to define what it means to be a good person. And we came to a small definition where we believe that goodness is an adjective, it's a quality,
Yes.
right? But this quality doesn't exist in a vacuum, it's a social construct. And we believe that ये social construct एक particular culture में और एक particular religion में बनाया गया है. And Mansi believes कि
ये हमें सिर्फ कंट्रोल करने के लिए I think the idea of goodness is actually to conform you, to actually control you in certain sense क्योंकि सब फिर एक दूसरे का मर्डर कर रहे होंगे ना. I mean, on the
exactly,
roads.
it's sort of disciplining.
Yeah, if there's no meaning of goodness, if there's no goodness, then what is happening in the world?
And I also believe that goodness exists in a thetical antithetical, मतलब this is a Hegelian, मतलब Hegel ने बोला है thetical मतलब thesis antithesis, तो goodness exist करती है in opposition to bad. It cannot exist in a vacuum in that way as well. कोई चीज बुरी नहीं है इसलिए अच्छी है. अगर फॉर एग्जाम्पल एक सोसाइटी में सिगरेट जो पी रहा है वो बुरा है, तो जो सिगरेट नहीं पी रहा वो एक मोरालिटी का साइन हो जाता है. तो दैट इज ऑल्सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि बिकॉज वो एंटी थीसिस की तरह काम करती है टू बैड, टू द इविल, तो वो एक डिसिप्लिनिंग फॉर्म में यूज भी होती है.
Because then good essentially becomes the system that everybody wants to encourage.
Encourage, yes, exactly. And being a good person, being a good citizen, being a good
Good
daughter, being a good son, that's how the society functions, that how a family unit functions. Or there are laws that are there to kind of also make sure that your goodness is continuing.
And goodness, I think they, I don't know, we are since we are on the path of questioning, good people do good things, bad people do bad things. That's how we say it, and goodness is rewarded in our system, and what is getting bad is getting, like, we all are bucketing all our actions, like single actions, into good and bad.
Bad, yeah.
But
जैसे थोड़ा प्यार और थोड़ा मैजिक है, If you've seen that movie, there's a very cute animation where Rani Mukherjee's character explains the little kids about the karma system, right? तो बोलते हैं आप कुछ अच्छा करते हो तो आपको +2 मिलता है, आप कुछ गलत करते हो तो that's why we come back to our definition that goodness is a very religious connotations to it. In our Hindu culture, it is related to the karma theory. In Christianity or in any Abrahamic religion, when you become a good person, you are rewarded with heaven, right? If you live a good, sin free life, you are rewarded um, Jannat or heaven.
That's why the question of good or bad exists in my head. That if I am being a good person, because when I talk to myself, I might say eating chicken is a bad thing. God might punish me for like hurting an animal. I'm sorry. So I'm a bad person then.
Exactly. Or India may, this idea of goodness is also deeply intertwined with caste.
Yeah.
You know, vegetarianism is not very neutral in India. It's not as simple as being vegan outside where animal rights are associated, but vegetarianism comes with this idea of purity that is only relegated to the upper caste. So not only is it sinful to eat non-veg, but if you eat non-veg, आपका धर्म भ्रष्ट हो जाता है. एंड अगर आपके बर्तन भी नॉन-वेज को टच करते हैं तो इट्स नॉट ओनली एनिमल राइट्स, यू आर पोल्यूटेड, योर बॉडी इज पोल्यूटेड, उस पे आपको गंगा जल डालना पड़ता है. सो दीज कॉन्सेप्ट्स आर एक्सट्रीमली कॉम्प्लेक्स एंड how can we forget the class angle of being good? How easier it is for somebody to be a good person when day to day lives are sorted. है ना? How is it is easier for us to not steal because we have food to eat every single day and we have money in our banks for us to get what we want. But when you are in dire poverty and when you have issues even getting 2 meals a day, how can you be a moral person? You know, and morality and ethicality also
Comes with goodness.
it comes with goodness and it becomes really complicated.
Yeah. Since you were saying about the caste thing, it's just a random question. Do you then think that goodness then comes with like belongs to the powerful people? Like they question it a lot. Like and a Brahmin would question a lower caste person for eating meat or whatever. We have seen that in movies happening again and again, right? And you easily discriminate through them. So is it coming from that power angle? Like goodness?
Exactly. I mean, the way people justify the discrimination that comes with the caste system is that they believe that the people who we all are in a certain caste because of our past karma. So people who are from the Shudra community or who are outside of the caste system, which are Dalits, they have done extremely wrong in their life, and this life, the present life that they're living, is for repentance of the past karma. So the underlining theme to the discrimination is कि lower caste people are bad people and they must be punished for that. There is no evidence of them being bad person, but it's a belief that is matlab, it's not only division of labor where a lot of people are trying to propagate that, but वो बहुत ही एक metaphysical definition से karma theory से इस चीज को justify किया गया है. In fact, even being born a woman in a Hindu community is seen कि आपने पिछले जन्म में अच्छे कर्म नहीं किए, इसलिए आप औरत हो और इसलिए आपको पतिव्रता होना चाहिए, आपको अपने
इवन हैविंग अ डॉटर, पीपल हैव गॉट ना आपको अपने कर्मों का भी भुगतान करना है, आपको इसकी शादी करनी है.
Yes,
The
yes.
connotation of
I mean, I think it's going to be controversial, but this is something that you can read in Manusmriti if you do. But that is how this kind of idea of goodness, it's not very innocent in India. There are far bigger repercussions to it, of course. And like class, just say the movie Kali Boy.
Yeah.
When you see the struggle that he's having, and when he ends up stealing the cars, right? You kind of don't feel that bad. Even though if your car is being stolen, of course you will curse and you will say जिसने भी कर रहा है बहुत बुरा इंसान है. But because you see him through that journey and you realize कि इसके resources इतने कम हैं कि okay, he's stealing a car, it seems like a gateway for him to get out of that situation. So it's a temporary gateway. Or there's a very interesting movie, बाइसिकल थीव्स, जो हमने अपनी फिल्म स्टडीज की क्लास में देखी थी. इट्स सपोज टू बी अ ह्यूज टेक्स्ट फॉर इटालियन न्यूरलिज्म. इफ यू वॉच दैट फिल्म, स्पॉइलर अलर्ट, दिस फिल्म इज अबाउट a really poor protagonist, a father whose bicycle gets stolen in the first few minutes of the film, and he has bought it so that he can, I think, paste posters around the town, and he tries so many times to uh, to find other ways to survive, but in the end he ends up stealing a bicycle, and he gets caught, and he gets caught in front of his son. So it's terrible.
Yeah. But does that make him a bad person? Like, question always is,
Exactly.
like, when I watch White Tiger,
Hmm.
even in White Tiger, he kills the upper caste person. Upper caste, nahi, but
Class, upper caste and
upper
class.
class person.
No, he was also upper caste.
He was he was upper caste also. But I wanted to put the class part.
Yeah,
here.
yeah, yeah.
So I didn't feel bad. मुझे बहुत लोगों के लिए बुरा नहीं लगता है. मुझे लगता है सही तो किया. Is it, then the question is, am I justifying the actions if I do it to a mere person, like to a Mukesh Ambani? I'm not coming for you, just ask. But if I do something there, तो इज इट जस्टिफाइड? बिकॉज वो भी तो चोरी कर रहे हैं, वो भी तो नेताओं को पैसे दे रहे हैं, तो समझ रही है? मतलब वो व्हाइट टाइगर में भी तो वही स्टोरी लाइन है. सो व्हाट डज इट रिफ्लेक्ट? डज इट रिफ्लेक्ट ऑन मी then? Because I am justifying their behaviors as
Their
saying bicycle
behavior.
thieves में हमें बुरा लगता है, and I think we must have cried also.
Yes. I mean, I feel like the first thing you realize is that, again, goodness, good, evil, all are sometimes constructed through systems. जैसे कि पिछले साल there was this huge uproar almost when a college student assassinated a huge director of some pharma company. I don't know, in America. So he was a, we will try to, I don't remember the, yeah, if you find it. So there are instances where when the atrocities of the rich becomes, and the gap between the poor and the rich becomes so huge, then when quote unquote evil things are done to them, it is celebrated as revolution. That's how French Revolution also worked. It was the first time the king was beheaded. So was Marie Antoinette, right? Because they were even getting taxed for eating bread. So उस टाइम पे उनको ये था कि यार अब बहुत ज्यादा हो गया है, and they all marched to Bastille, and you know what ends up happening there. So again, when you think about being good and being bad, you have to realize there are so many systems in work. And I think also, Mansi, you were talking about behind the scenes gender. Behind the scenes, we were talking about how goodness, the definition of being a good person is different for a woman and a man.
डिमेंड मर्दों में यही फर्क है कि रात को 10 बजे अगर एक औरत बाहर है तो वो गलत लड़की है.
हाँ, वो इमोरल है.
अगर वो एक ग्रुप ऑफ लड़कों के साथ या लड़कियों के साथ घर में आ रही है, वो बेकार औरत है, वो बैड औरत है.
हाँ.
She see, even my curly hair could have been at certain point it was seen as I am a bad person. If I had just had like guy friends I could really converse with, I was a bad person.
Or a woman who is ambitious, or a woman who may not want to live with her in-laws, a woman who does not want to have kids. You know, all of them are bad people.
But when a man does it, oh, he's ambitious. Oh, great. He's the greatest man on this earth. Okay.
बट मैं इसमें ये ऐड करना चाहती हूँ कि people have very low tolerance with women committing mistakes, or women trying something out, or women steering away from the ideal. I believe that because even our comments on Dhurandar's video, they were not. No, but I observed something. It was not that people were being critical of what we have said. People have all the right to disagree with us, 100%. And there were some comments that were, I mean, talking about where I believe they think we went wrong and we would have went wrong. But a lot of them were very personal, like Didi, Auntie,
Watch Barbie.
watch
हम
Barbie.
Barbie भी देखेंगे by the way.
हाँ,
I'm
तो
so proud.
those were very pointed personal comments, but those are not personal comments in the sense कि आप हमें कुछ एक specific चीज बोल रहे हो, but related to us being women and us sitting in a video and sharing our opinions. How dare you? When we come back to looking at goodness, we have to see all the social systems that are created together for for it to exist. The next question is that goodness is also a form of performance, like you
Yes.
said. So अगर goodness भी एक performance है, और मेरे को लगता है इंडियन सोसाइटी में तो वो डेफिनेटली सोसाइटी के लिए ही बनाई गई है कि भाई आपके चार लोग क्या बोलेंगे वो बहुत मैटर करता है. एंड व्हेन यू रियलाइज ऑल ऑफ दिस, तो फिर हम कैसे गुडनेस को अपने लिए डिफाइन करते हैं, मानसी? गो.
I think what am I supposed to talk about myself?
Yeah. Yes, let us finally.
Finally. So I think goodness is not objective. It's not binary.
Hmm.
I think it comes with context. It comes with a series of decisions that you take. Right. For the longest period, define my goodness with likability.
Hmm.
I would not take up my stand. I would care about the impact that I must have given the other person rather than my own intent of like having it.
Hmm.
So a lot of times I have let go of myself and like just to be validated by you. By you, I'm asking everybody. I would do goodness in terms of perception, in terms to have the perception of likability. So now I'm not a people pleaser. I'm very less of a people pleaser now. So I can just say it very proudly that I'm not at all a people pleaser. People think that I'm becoming very
Rude.
rude.
Non-people pleaser.
No, I'm becoming rude. Rude in the way because I call them out for their behavior, and that's why. And I love that part. But yeah.
Yay. Finally.
But I would like to bring in first, when I talk about myself, I would just like to bring in my favorite show,
Fleabag.
I have a horrible feeling that I'm a greedy, perverted, selfish, apathetic, cynical, depraved, morally bankrupt woman who can't even call herself a feminist.
She does wrong. She does bad things in her personal life. She kind of cheated. She actually had the guilt कि उसकी best friend उसकी वजह से मर गई है because she
Betrayed her.
she betrayed. She was not apparently a good daughter. She was not a good girlfriend. She was not a good person. That's what she felt. She even called out the feminist that she can't even be a feminist. Right. So all of this is very personal, right? Whatever is happening. But as soon as she talks to you, she is breaking that perception, right? When I talk to you, I'm breaking that perception. Ki, oh, I'm being funny. Oh, I'm being self-aware. I know I did this. I know I did this. But in publicly, she is just doing it. So I think that's what I am also coming from. कि आप public में जो कर रहे हो, आप personally आके खुद से बातें कर रहे हो. तो kind of likability वाला जो factor है, I think वो Fleabag में भी था. ये मुझे लगता है.
I think she was she doomed herself by saying that I'm a bad person, and I believe she was performing her part.
Yes.
I believe that is a so because it's like जब आपको फेलियर से डर लगता है तो आप ट्राई ही नहीं करते इसेंशियली उसको लगता है कि मैं अच्छी इंसान बन ही नहीं सकती हूँ तो मैं ट्राई भी नहीं करूँगी एंड अगर and I would also act as a bad person because if I put myself out there, be vulnerable and ask for validation to be a good person, whether am I a good person or not, I won't be able to handle the rejection if they say that you're not. So instead of getting that response, मैं पहले से ही act out कर दूंगी. समझ रही है what I'm trying to say?
The fourth wall breaking is kind of her performance and getting vulnerable with the audience.
हाँ, I mean, the fourth wall, I think the fourth wall, when she breaks the fourth wall, एक है, it's interiority. You are working in the interior, you are listening to her intrusive thoughts. But I would also say that it's a cry for help. It's a cry for help. It's cry for help because in the second season, when the priest comes, he sees through it. He sees that cry for help and makes her realize that it's okay for her to want to be a good person, to want to be loved, right?
Yes. To want to be validated also.
To want to be validated, it's okay for her to want those things. So that's why I really like that show.
But उसमें end में जब she walks away from the camera, it's like her giving up कि I want to perform anymore.
Yes, exactly. So she looks back.
She looks back and she just walks away. She's like, I am dropping this need to be seen as
Yes.
a good person or a bad person and
Yeah.
just walking.
I'm
away.
dropping this performance.
I'm walking.
I'm
away.
dropping and I'm okay with
Whoever.
whoever. I'm okay with being with my interiority and do whatever. So I also feel that way. Fleabag has so much of good and bad. I mean, it really complicates the idea of being a good person or being a good woman.
Questioning of what is right and what is wrong is also my meaning of what is good and
What is good and bad? Yes.
because मेरे को नहीं लगता कि right means good. I think what goodness for me is being empathetic, being kind, and being a normal human who understands the other human in their context.
And we have come up with this quote that if goodness is created in a context, then it should be judged in a context. I believe the prerequisite to goodness is self reflection. I feel a person cannot qualify to, I believe this personal opinion, to being a good person or even considering goodness अगर उसमें सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन नहीं है क्योंकि मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि एक इंट्रोस्पेक्शन और अपनी लाइफ का रेट्रोस्पेक्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है फॉर यू टू judge yourself, for you to see where you are, what you have done, what you can do. Because like a self-reflection is a prerequisite for a good person. And you might think it's very general, but apparently you will meet a lot of delulu people in this world who can justify anything.
Anything
in
like
their heads.
hitting anybody, they can justify.
Hitting anybody or being completely vicious to somebody.
Yeah.
मुझे ऐसा लगता है सेल्फ रिफ्लेक्शन बहुत ज़रूरी है एक अच्छे इंसान होने के लिए और like I also believe that being good and being right are not synonymous, right? तो मुझे also मेरे को ऐसा लगता है कि जिस मोमेंट पे मैंने अच्छा परसीव होने की नीड छोड़ दी उस दिन से मेरे को ऐसा लगता है आई फील वेरी फ्री एक्चुअली एंड आई एक्चुअली ऑल्सो फील like I can be a better person in a way that I treat people better. Because for the longest of times, I would sit and think about my intentions of doing anything with anyone. मतलब अगर मैं किसी को खाना भी खिलाती थी घर पे बुला के तो मुझे ऐसा लगता था am I doing this so that they can see that I'm a good person. But dheere dheere, I think it's with the frontal lobe developing and with us coming closer to 30, we have also kind of have also kind of matlab, we are okay with not being perceived as
good anymore.
good and likable. I believe कि मुझे ऐसा लगता है, I believe कि मैं कोई भी एक्शन करती हूँ और वो एक्शन अगर किसी को हेल्प करने के लिए है तो मैं उसके पीछे का इंटेंशन नहीं सोचती, बस मैं वो एक्शन करती हूँ बिकॉज बाय डूइंग द एक्शन and somebody getting something out of it, it's good.
And I think questioning good and bad is good.
It's good, I believe.
Because
Yes.
मैं ये मानती हूँ, in each of us is somebody we don't know yet. I don't
Ex-
know if next year I will be I will do anything that you will consider as bad,
हाँ.
and I don't know if me calling anybody out around me is good or bad. I don't know. Yes,
I think also goodness is about being a little flexible with being wrong.
wrong.
I believe
Yeah.
people who are inflexible about their shortcomings and being wrong, it's very hard for them to exercise the goodness in them.
Yes.
Or I truly also agree with Mansi. It's also the acceptance of the bad in you, because of course there are qualities in you that are not that great, and there will be moments where you will become a hypocrite or you will do something that will inadvertently hurt somebody. And life is all about accepting, seeking forgiveness, learning, moving on, and still try to do good.
Good. And nothing is fixed.
Exactly.
Even you as a person is not fixed.
fixed.
So even if you have taken all the wrong nahi, bad decisions, like you actually, if you are being unkind and unempathetic, I'm sorry, you need to work on yourself.
Yeah,
So I'm
kindness.
not justifying that part, that if you think that despite whoever you are, whoever, I think basic kindness, basic humanity अगर आपके अंदर है, you are a good person. So you don't have to beat yourself even if you eat non-veg, if you are coming late in the night, if somebody is calling you out because you have taken your stand, if you have done anything random and you feel that you are a bad person, you're not. But if you are being unkind, unempathetic, uncompassionate, being bad to your friends, being bad to your girlfriends, being bad to your parents, I am not sure. And being bad to a level where it's genuinely bad that you're hurting them.
Yeah.
Hurting them physically or like mentally. But if you're not doing that, I think you're doing good.
And you know, sometimes you being good to others and being good to yourself means not being good in front of the society.
Yes.
And you have to choose your moments.
Yes.
Sometimes you will not be a good daughter because you're choosing peace over the performance, or you're choosing, like I said, so many of our goodness in India is systemic. तो अगर आपको लगता है you are not a good daughter because you're marrying somebody of your own choice, then rather be a bad person than to relegate yourself in a life where you don't end up with your loved one. Right?
I think you
The love
should
of
be
your
able
life.
to live with yourself.
With yourself. So yeah, this should be our conclusion.
So whatever decision you take, you should be able to live with yourself. And to all the people pleaser, because I am saying this, being nice is not being good.
Actually, Mansi, I don't want to end this video now, but I will tell you some kind of a. So there's this novel, Sophie's Choice, and I think it also again questions the idea of goodness, where you meet Sophie with the past, where she is I think she is not a Jew, but she marries a Jew during the Holocaust, and she is taken to the concentration camp, and the soldiers there come here. They ask her to choose between her daughter and her son, who to kill. And they said that if you don't choose, we will kill both of them. And in that extremely painful situation, she, I think in reflex, asked them to take her daughter. This is a very, it's a novel, but I've actually not seen, I've not read the novel, but I've seen the movie. It has Devil's Wear Prada में मिरांडा प्रीस्ली कौन बनती है, मतलब some important actress. Okay.
एकदम
I'm
से
so
नाम नहीं
sorry.
बता पाते हम.
But she, and there is this the camera pans on her face when the on the daughter's face as she's leaving, and then it pans on her, and you can see the horror of it, and it might be the last word, I believe, that her daughter listens, and her son also ends up not surviving the concentration camp. So in situations like this, are you a good person? That's the question, you know.
I think one action don't define you.
And I also believe that just the cruelty of somebody asking you to choose, I think, isn't that like,
It's worse.
it's so cruel. But how do you forgive? And she ends up killing herself in the end, in the movie.
Because मैंने crime and punishment में लिखा था अपने notes में.
हाँ,
Because
हाँ.
you have done a crime, you have done a bad action, but are you
हाँ.
able to live with that guilt?
How
I
do
think
you
that
do
makes
it?
you a good or a bad person, because
हाँ.
I get it that you made a bad choice. It reflects something about you. I'm not saying that it is just a choice you made. It reflects something about you, but it's not who you are.
Yes, because there's so many moments. I was also discussing it with my friend who has done law, where I've asked, what if somebody else does not adhere to the red light? They jump the light, and it's green from your end, but they come in front of you, and your car is in a certain speed. They hit you, they die, but you are the one following the rules, and they did not. But they are the one who end up dying. So, like I said, I think we should maybe few years
But then there's a
later.
karma of your purani life that people are talking about.
This such a complicated. Are you a good person then? You didn't intend to kill them. You were following rules, but of course, that's not how life works. You didn't intend your kids. You never imagined coming to a day where somebody will ask you to choose between them, but the day came, and you faltered. And in the scene, it looks like she immediately realizes it, but it's too late. And to see the horror on her child's face and then on hers, because I think it goes on a very, मतलब एकदम pan करता है उसके face पे.
Thank you.
I think we should end this video like every other video of ours without any resolution to any of it.
There's no resolution to it, because you should question. If you're not questioning, good for you, be in the delusion, but please be kind. I think that's my message to the world always.
Yeah.
Like, I still don't know if I'm a good person. I still don't know if Ayushi is a good person, but I know that Ayushi has these 5 qualities that still make her somebody good.
She has some good qualities.
Some good quality, some goodness to her.
हाँ.
right, and you can, and मैं हमेशा ये बोलती हूँ, you have to be fool in love, you have to be fool to be a good person,
Good.
because a lot of times you have to actually sacrifice a lot to be good to
Yeah.
other person, if you are looking at a very binary level. बट अगर आप कॉन्टेक्चुअली जा रहे हो, आप थोड़ी ग्रेनेस के साथ जा सकते हो, आप बैड भी हो सकते हो, आप गुड भी हो सकते हो, बट मुझे लगता है कि बेसिक ह्यूमन क्वालिटीज रखो गाइस, बेसिक, लाइक वेरी बेसिक ऑफ इट, एंड क्वेश्चन इट एवरी डे.
And I also think that it's very important to also question the systems that create such goodness. Question the acts, question, like in Sophie's Choice, not our first instinct is to question a choice, but we don't question the system, where the officer is not questioned whether you are a good person or not, to ask such a question. So, and when your deeds are sanctioned by an authority, your deed is sanctioned by your officer, and you are conforming, is it still a choice? Is it qualifies to be a good or a bad deed? We don't know. So we will leave you with so many questions and no answers, like always. Because remember, we are not professionals. We are barely humans.
Good humans.
Hopefully.
We are barely good humans.
We are trying to be good humans, but not seeking any validation for it.
Yes, but goodness is about perception, so we don't know yet if we are
Yeah.
performing to be good or if we are good. You will get to know if you still be here, subscribe to us, talk to us. सबने हमें मैसेज करो यार, बस फालतू की बात मत करना हमसे, हमें हेट नहीं चाहिए. We don't believe in hate at all. We believe in love.
we believe in discourse. We
Yes.
would love to have people telling us we are wrong in a respectful kind of a way. मतलब slight respect. You're not asking for a lot.
हाँ.
Thoda respect. Then you can also be very very critical of us. It's okay. We are humans. We can have wrong opinions
Yes.
or an opinion that is different to yours.
और ओपिनियन तो फ्री की चीज है ना, मूव ऑन, आगे बढ़ जाओ यार. मैं इंटरनेट पे इतने ओपिनियन सुनते हैं कि मैं सबको क्वेश्चन करने लग गई तो बात खराब हो जाएगी ना.
Yeah.
You should be true to your own opinion. You should give us your opinion. We don't mind it, but be a little bit kinder. I don't think so. Respectful is a word. Be kinder. क्योंकि respect तो questionable है आप लोग की. So be kinder to us, and that's the message to our hate. But to the people who love us, to the people who always like our video, who always view our video, who are giving us good amount of views. अभी हमें अच्छा लग रहा है थोड़ा थोड़ा. अभी हमें 6 months हो गए हैं. राइज हमारा बेबी 6 महीने का है. आपको पता नहीं चल रहा है.
Crawl करने वाला है जल्दी.
अभी crawl करेगा. But thank you again if you were still here. I hope you all are good people, doing good things in your life. And even if you're doing bad things, I think you are good if you're kind.
Yes.
मैं बहुत बार बोल दिया, अब आप चले जाओ.
Yeah. Bye.